Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with the Internal Revenue Service. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have worked at IRS for how long? 10 years. I have worked thousands of cases. I've been doing this work for 51 years. I have a whole team of former IRS agents. I've been on all the major TV stations. I got about 2,700 other YouTubes out there on various things. So I just want to tell you, if you in fact are looking for, actually, let me just go ahead. If you're looking for freedom from your IRS tax debt, the only way you can do this to free yourself of this debt is through the Offer and Compromise program. That's it. A lot of people say you can do it here, you can do it there. I have worked at IRS so long, and I'm with IRS so long, I'm tired of seeing all the false advertisement, and you need to know. I used to, with a pen like this, accept offers and deny offers and compromise. I know what goes on behind the scenes. I know everything that IRS is going to do with an offer. So the biggest mistake is if you to file your offer that you can't go ahead and file because you extend your statute a year plus the time it's in offer status. So now, rather than have your statute maybe expire here, you're adding maybe 18 months. You don't want to do that. The only way, once again, you can get free of your tax debt is through the offer. So you have to fill out two forms, a 433A OIC and the 656. IRS has made this just crap load hard to go ahead and do this. I mean, the forms. Last year, 13,000 offers were accepted by IRS. About, I don't know, 38,000 were 38,000 were sent in. So maybe a third or maybe 30% of offers were accepted. Most of those I know were accepted. I've asked people, were accepted by a professional firm. It is hard for the average taxpayer to get an offer unless you've got absolutely nothing. The government has made it difficult. But the Offer and Compromise is your program. Don't believe all the hype and all the noise that's out there. If you can afford it, you want to hire someone, well, obviously, like myself, because I work the program. I know what I'm doing. Let's just forget about that for a second. IRS is going to focus on two things. You have to know that. Your income and expenses and your assets. Those are the only two things at the end of the day that's going to make any difference. And there is a formula for this. So at the end of the day, if you think you're a qualified candidate, give me a call. I do not charge until I review your financial statement. If in fact I think it's doable, I will give you a fee, but I must look at it first because I don't want to rip anyone off. Anyway, just so you know, also there's a pre-qualifier tool for the offer. Go ahead and Google IRS pre-qualifier tool for the offer, and you can find out ahead of time if IRS thinks you're eligible. Make sure all your tax returns are filed, or IRS is not going to accept it. I don't even know how many offers I work. Anyway, give me a subscription if you would. Look at all my other videos. If you need an offer filed, I'll at least look at it for free. Have a good one.